So this is the red snapper. I will do a sweet and sour red snapper. So this is the procedure. First oil, and then garlic, and then white onion, and then ginger, two cups of water. Let it boil, and then white sugar. I mean vinegar, 2 spoons, and then white sugar, 2 spoons, and then mix. And then the carrots, and then bell pepper, mix, and then tomato ketchup, 1, 2, 3 spoons. I do 5 spoons of tomato ketchup, and mix. And then the cornstarch, I do 2 spoons of cornstarch, and mix. So I put a little bit of garlic powder and black pepper. And lastly the fish. And low heat. So enjoy. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.